All right, yellow everybody. So if you have a Dodge and you want to run your car, and you have that kind of key, let's say, and you want to run your car, you're living in a cold environment, and you want to go to the bar and enjoy your beverage, or you go for shopping, depends on your state. You can do two things. What I did, I shaved this up. It's much better actually when you shave this. This is with the box cutter, and basically you press this in, you put your key, you start it, you take a right, you go for the right, then you arrive at your destination, let's say, and you wanna take the key with you. It's easy to remove now because this one is shaped a little bit, not too much, not too aggressive, just a little. And then you go outside, lock it, and then you lock your car with the remote control, no problem. And that's it. The other way you can do, sometimes works, sometimes don't. Just because if you don't shave this up, if you don't shave it, what you can do, you can put your finger in, and then you stick it in just little, and then you can run it. But sometimes it doesn't recognize the key. So when you pull out the key and you try to go outside, sometimes, you see, the locking works. You have to press this in and wait like 5 seconds, whatever, and just, you see, now it's working. So you can do this two ways. So I hope you enjoy, you like it. See ya.